Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in the XENEA Wallet new campaign started and I will provide you all the correct answers of the questions. First of all, click on missions, click on campaign name as Storacha. Little bit scroll down, here you see 10 questions and I will provide you all the answers of the question. Click on start quiz. Quiz number 1, correct answer is option number 2. Click on it and click submit. I earn 100 gems as a correct option. Quiz number 2, correct option is option number 2. Again earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 3, correct answer again option number 2. Again I receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 4, the correct answer also option number 2. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 5, correct answer option number 4. Click on it and click submit button. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Quiz number 6, correct answer option number 2. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 7, correct answer option number 1. Again receive 100 gems. Now quiz number 8, correct option number 1. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 9, the correct option number 3. Again receive 100 gems. Now the last quiz number 10, correct option number 2. Click on it and click submit button. Again receive 100 gems. Click continue. Now additional receive 1000 gems as all questions answers correctly. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.